Okay, today we're picking up the FLH. Bike's been out of commission for a while. Really strange repair. The guys at Boar's Nest Choppers did a great job. Wait till you see it. We're here at Boar's Nest Choppers. This is Boar's Nest Choppers, the guys that did the work. And, great shop. These guys are the best. They work on older bikes, new bikes, and like I said, I can't believe they solved the problem. This is Ian.
Thank you all.
Thanks, Ian. You guys did a great job.
Anytime, man. Thank you.
Okay, I want to introduce Josh. He's the owner of the shop. He's basically the master tech that did all the work and solved this problem. So thanks, Josh. I want to thank you a lot.
Anytime.
Great job. Thanks. Okay, here's the 79 FLH. After it's been repaired, ultimately no one could solve the problem, and Josh actually came up with a way to finish it. We weren't sure what was wrong with the head, but Josh, you thought it might not. It wasn't a crack, right?
No, it was the valve seat in the cylinder head. As the head got hot under operating temperature, the valve seat was loose and causing all your valve noise up top.
Yeah. And the only way to find that was a new set of heads, basically. So anyway, we're all happy with it. The bike's running. Couldn't say more about this shop here. If you're in Southern California, Boar's Nest Choppers. It's located in Oceanside, California. I'll put the website and phone number and everything on the video.
Leaving the Harley dealership, the culmination of a long journey of work. Riding off into the sunset.
Okay, here's what happened. The bike had about 20,000 miles on it on this engine rebuild, so it needed a top end done, new valves, new piston rings. It was smoking quite heavily, power was off, and then it developed this noise when you decelerated, a real loud clack, 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 clack. So I thought, and Josh at Boar's Nest thought top end would fix that. We thought it initially was an exhaust leak. We debugged that, it wasn't that. So Josh did the top end and the problem was still there, the noise was still there. I've got to hand it to him and Boar's Nest. They stuck to it, and I had emailed mechanics around the country to get ideas on what happened. He asked mechanics in Southern California, and no one could come up with a reason. So his idea was to exchange out the heads, and basically that solved the problem. He used some exchange heads and from 75, and it worked. So we basically rebuilt he basically rebuilt the bike, did the new valve job on the new heads. It already had new pistons and rings. Put it back together, and it's running great. And just got to hand it to Josh for sticking to it and solving the problem. They work on older bikes like this 79 there, or this new Project Rushmore Ultra. They do a lot of work. Highly recommend them. They're in Oceanside, California. This bike's back. I'll do a video in the future, show you all the products that we have on it. This was the first concept bike for E-Glide goodies. So anyway, ride safe.